The best and most flexible IM or instructional material in teaching social studies is a chalkboard because chalkboard represents the traditional way of teaching and the traditional medium in teaching. Just the board and chalk itself can show the effectivity of teaching or the effectiveness of teaching. It can be used in various discussions and even in giving activities. Chalkboard are a great way to maximize your students' ability to learn and retain new information. By writing out key points and drawing helpful illustrations on the chalkboard, students are also able to take better and more accurate notes. Chalkboard is an important teaching aid because it is a mirror through which is the students visualize the teacher's mind, the way of explaining, illustrating, and teaching as a whole. Thus, it stands as a visual testimony of the teacher's work and expression. On a chalkboard, you can put things to remember a part of key points, and the learners can look at it whether, whether or whenever they have to call or recall something. Chalkboard is a traditional way of teaching. Learners can easily catch up to the lesson if they see and hear what the teacher is talking about. Using chalkboard and chalk as the main material in teaching, learners can also interact and collaborate with the teacher. A teacher can also provide board activities, which is students or learners are free to write their knowledge or opinion about a specific topic. One of the example of a board game in a classroom is to write a jumbled letters on the board and let your students answer it by writing the right answer on the board or just by telling the correct answer. So, by using chalkboard as an instructional material, the interaction the interaction between the learners and the teacher becomes smooth. The collaboration becomes more natural. It is a best way to use chalkboards in teaching social studies because in teaching social studies, students and teachers need collaboration, communication, and interaction. In that way, you can see the progress and development of each learners. Also, as per Professor Bacunio said, each one is a working media and each one is a learning source. As that said, the main purpose of chalkboard in teaching and learning is to show that teachers and learners can collaborate and become the main source of knowledge and skills and become a medium to learning by themselves.